Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Programming is hard. Programming is hard to understand. Programming is hard to comprehend. So, let's just talk about this for a second. So I actually had this discussion just the other day. So alright, I call it copying, comprehending, and replicating. So, if you're here, you're anything like me. You are learning on your own, or you have some materials and you're getting some supplemental resources, but it's okay to be frustrated. It's okay to be discouraged. It's not okay to stop. So what you want to do is, yes, you're going to copy the code. You need to make sure you understand it, but then you need to be able to replicate it. So when I was doing it, it would make perfect sense when I was copying it down. And then when I had to do it, when it would be a different exercise, I was lost. It's just repetition. It's reps like anything else. It takes thousands of hours to become efficient. Thousands of hours. I want you to think about that. Thousands of hours. There was an old saying a while ago that it takes 10,000 hours to become an expert. So, depending on the field, yes, okay. So just think about that, 10,000 hours. So be nice to yourself when you're stuck somewhere. So just stay focused, keep moving. I always like the comment from a famous Disney movie. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. So it's okay. It's okay that you get frustrated, but it's not okay to stop. Take a break. Take a few days off. I've done it several times. I had to start over several times, but I just kept getting up, kept going. So just come back, start at the beginning of the videos, and keep going. These are built in sequential order for a reason. There's a lot of them. You can jump around, but it's not okay to give up. So, all right. There's your little pep talk. But programming is hard. But copy it, comprehend it, but you got to be able to replicate it without it. So put it on there, make a hard copy, then move it over, then delete it and replicate it until you get it, until you get it, until you get it. And one other thing where I really began to comprehend is I started going to my kids' school and volunteering. So Milton Friedman. No. I'm sorry, it is eluding me right now. But if you want to become an expert at something, teach it. All right? So, there you are. Real quick video today. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So if you're a little frustrated, just drop a comment down below, and I'll check in on you from time to time. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.